You're all that I think about.
All that I think.
You're all that I think about.
Oh yeah.
The only one I think about is you. Oh baby, the only one I think about. As it all plays out, you're the only one I think about. As the normal phases out, you're the only one I think about. As the world crazes out, you're the only one I think about. As revelation plays out, you're the only one I think about. As the last days come around, you're the only one I think about. Before the world ends, baby. Before the clock strikes 12, babe. Before the world goes ahead, yeah. I wanna take you on a date.
All I wanna think about, all I wanna think about is you. All I wanna be is raptured next to you. As the world becomes unglued before the return of Christ, I just wanna treat you nice before the apocalypse. I just wanna kiss your lips.
Hey, before Armageddon starts, I just wanna win your heart. And before the wars break out, I just wanna take you out. Hey, before the famine begins, I just wanna be your friend. Hey, before the last days, I just wanna steal your gaze. If we are really in the end time, first I just wanna blow your mind. It might be too soon, but optimists, robots are in view. Our first ladies pushing it, baby, pushing it real good like salt and pepper do. In Revelation 18 we're going through. I wanna go through it with you. And if that third temple just keeps waiting, for the record, I wanna take you on a date.
It's the last days of this world. Not much time on the clock, but I still wanna rock you to bed at night. Sing you lullabies as you close your eyes, my lovely lady. Yeah, in times, but that's fine, cause we serve the Most High, and the sunshine still shines on you and I. Even if they try to block the sun, they can't block our love, my baby. No, they can't.
Block out the sun.
Cause God got us, yeah, my baby. Trust His plan. He's got you and I. Even in the midst of crisis, we can fly. Even if the tides are high, then we can swim. Cause we walk with Christ and we abide in Him.
Ooh, baby.
All I wanna think about, all I wanna think about is you. All I wanna be is raptured next to you. As the world becomes unglued before the return of Christ, I just wanna treat you nice before the apocalypse. Yeah, I just wanna kiss your lips, my love.
I just wanna kiss your lips.
Before the clock strikes 12, I got you, baby. I got you, God's got us. I wanna kiss your lips. In times up.